This video will walk you through Draiper ContentFlow to show you just how easy it is to create new content and publish it. Our goal today is to create a new article and publish it to demo.draiper.com, which is the default publishing target. Let's get started. So once you've logged in, you'll see a few cards here. To create a new piece, we start with sources, which are the contextual basis for new content. From there we will jump into Composer, and once Composer is finished, we can edit it in Editor, then use Publisher to push it to demo.draiper.com or wherever your website is. There are some other cards here. There are a lot of options that you can tweak to get exactly the content you need. But for now, for the purpose of this demo, we'll just keep it simple and walk you through it end to end. First, we'll click on Sources. There are a number of context source types that you can choose from. Again, other videos will explain what each one of these is for and how they are used. We will use links for this video. Down here we'll see a couple of existing links. We're going to choose the first one, How to Use AI in Your Business, which is a link to an existing web page. We click on the light bulb to brainstorm new story angles and perspectives. The ideation engine will churn away and generate a list of topics and keywords that you could select or edit. Okay, so this gives you a list of 20 different ideas that you could work with. Or you could click on the Regenerate button to create more ideas for topics. This looks interesting. Let's pick Balancing AI Automation with Human Creativity. Now we've jumped to Composer. We'll stick with the default output type. There are other outputs that you can choose from. We'll explain them elsewhere. Let's leave Style as Analysis. There are many options to choose from. We'll stick to the default. Let's change this to Content Creators. And we'll stick to the default author, Local News Reporter. Actually, let's change it to Copywriter. Each author has different writing styles. These are the brainstormed topic and keywords we chose earlier. We can ignore the focal point for now and we just click Compose. This will take up to a minute or two, depending on the loading of the servers. Brand new content in 60 seconds. Now we're in Editor. As you can see, it's created a drop-down with a number of suggested titles. You're free to select any one of them, keep it as it is, edit it however you like, or you can clear it out and write your own. For this video, let's stick to one of these. It's created an SEO description, an SEO excerpt, and SEO keywords. And here's your new content down here. You can edit this any way you like. In fact, let's do that. Let's make the last sentence bold. And let's underline the sentence for good measure. And as you can see, the formatting has changed. Let's save the edits. And then we click on the Publish button. And we jump to Publisher. The Facebook version. The LinkedIn version. The social media versions were automatically created for you. They're all editable in Editor. So back to the content. By default, we're looking at demo.draiper.com as the publishing target. We can click on this icon to load the media library. These are the images present in the WordPress site. Let's choose one at random. That will be the featured image. You can assign the byline to different authors present in your website. Let's pick the Demo Draiper author. You can choose some categories, for example editor's pick and must read. In supported tags, let's choose hot just for fun. Comments are enabled. You can publish using different options such as private. That means only you can see it. Publish is straightforward, everyone can see it immediately. If you choose future, you can schedule the launch to a certain date and a certain time. Let's just stick to publish for now and directly click post. And a few seconds later, the article is posted, and here we can see the links to the back end and the front end. Now we switch over to demo.draiper.com and click reload. There's our new article. When we click on it, we'll see it's ready and published, and down at the bottom we'll see that the last sentence was underlined and made bold. And that's how easy it is to use Draiper ContentFlow.